Is there anything not to love about Julie Andrews? I don't think so. And just like its namesake, the Julie Andrews cocktail is just as I expected, practically perfect in every way. So why don't I show you how to shake one up? Start with 1 ounce of vanilla vodka. Add 1 ounce of citrus vodka, a ½ ounce of lavender syrup, a ½ ounce of creme de violette, and a ½ ounce of lemon juice. Add some ice and give it a good shake until it's chilled. Between its simplistic color and the range of the delightful flavors, the Julie Andrews cocktail is nothing short of supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. And this delicious drink is most definitely Queen Bee approved.